Workplace relationships in radiology. Anthony Chase. What are workplace relationships, you might ask? Workplace relationships are the interactions between people in a workplace. Why is it important for you to know what a workplace relationship is? Well, in the radiology field, there are many ways that it is important. To maintain high-quality healthcare, ensure job security, and to maintain employee morale. First reason is quality healthcare. According to Ong, Ellenjar, Gregory, Mayer, and Jojo, tight communications between radiologists and referring physicians, and between radiologists and patients, is recognized as an important part of radiology quality. This means if a healthy working relationship is established, patients will receive higher quality healthcare. If the patient is misdiagnosed, it can cause them pain and suffering and time and money. Job security. According to Kaplan, in an interview with Kathy Dressen, the patient will notice if communication isn't good between the team, and that affects where they go for future medical care. If patients are going elsewhere for their services, the firm will receive less business. If the firm receives less business, the firm may shut down or lay off employees. Three, employee morale. Verasak, Byington, and Desh Kulkarni. Burnout is a result of continued involvement in work situations that are emotionally demanding, eventually leading to a state of physical, emotional, and mental exhaustion. If patients are going elsewhere for their services, the firm will receive less business. If employees are stressed, their quality of work will decrease. When an employee's quality of work decreases, results may be less accurate and patients will receive poor quality healthcare. You don't want to work with somebody you're not friends with. We improve working relationships. So there are two basic ways to improve working relationships in the field of radiology. One option is team building activities, example, escape rooms. You can also do team building events like picnics, going out to eat, maybe parties, somebody's birthday, on a holiday. Of team building. According to Yi, team building activities were effective for improving the teamwork skills and team effectiveness. According to M2 Communications, team building activities can encourage coworkers to see each other as teammates rather than simply coworkers, generate a stronger sense of engagement in the company, helping employees feel good about their work and the value they provide to it. Team building activities can also improve communication, as participants will need to discuss and execute plans to successfully complete the task at hand. It's been proven that team building exercises can improve productivity in the workplace. To sum it all up, team building is essential to ensure healthy working relationships. Poor working relationships can cause poor health care, loss of employment, and can cause employees to become stressed. It has been proven that team building activities and events can make workplace relationships better. Therefore, it should be implemented or improved in the field of radiology. References, all the information I used, where I got my quotes from. Thanks for watching my PowerPoint. Hope you enjoy.